How's it going there, YouTube? Well, I apologize for the wind noise. I just got a quick little video here. It's actually quite breezy up here this afternoon. It's quite nice, actually. But anyway, I had a question once before about adding wheel weights to the back end of your tractor. So something like that. So originally, back in the day, and they may even still do it now, I'm not 100% sure, they take a carriage bolt from the inside, put your weight on, not on the outside. Pretty simple, right? So if you want to load your tractor, go down the tractor pull track with, and you want to stack multiple weights on your tractor, well, you do something like this. This is just for demonstration purposes, so it's not perfect. Obviously, they'd be up here straight, but you know, gravity is such a thing. So I believe this is either a 5/8 or a 3/4 inch ready rod. You obviously put a nut on the inside of the washer, nut on the outside of the washer. Then you can stack as many weights as you want on top of that. Then obviously put a nut on the end of it, and that holds everything on there. So I guess at some point I'll be looking for some 40 weights, but I think it's going to be a minute before I take the 40 down the track just yet. Anyway guys, just a quick video for you guys this afternoon, and if you like my sheep, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.